In the icy expanse of Antarctica, scientists made an extraordinary discovery, detecting a mysterious ghost particle that could unlock secrets of the universe. As the Antarctic Impulsive Transient Antenna, ANITA, collected data, researchers were astounded by the unusual signals that defied conventional understanding of particle physics. The ghost particle, known as a neutrino, was thought to be a product of cosmic events beyond our planet, traveling through Earth with nearly no interaction. This groundbreaking finding has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe, pushing the boundaries of astrophysics and particle theory.